How to change language on Spender application. Are you facing issue to change language on Spender app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To change language on Spender app, first of all, open Spender app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, just simply log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, now just simply look at the right bottom of the screen where you'll be able to see the setting icon. Just simply tap on setting icon. After you click on it, you'll be forwarded to this interface where you can see multiple options. You are looking to change language, right? Just simply tap on change language. After you click on change language, you'll be provided with three options. Just simply select the one according to your preference. Once you select the language, your app might be refreshed in order to change the app language. And that's it guys, that's how we're going to change the language on Spender application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.